In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in Constant Contact. We're focusing on one simple change that can make your email look more professional and on brand, updating the background color. This is great for aligning with your brand palette, creating contrast for readability, or just giving your message a fresh look without redesigning everything. Start by opening your email campaign in Constant Contact. From your dashboard, go to your list of campaigns and choose the specific email you want to edit. If it's a draft, select it to open the editor. You'll see your email layout in the center and the editing tools on the side. Give it a second to load fully so all styling options appear. Once you're in the editor, look for the Design or Styles panel. Depending on the version of the editor you're using, this section may be labeled Design, Styles, or something similar. It's usually in the right-hand sidebar or available from a top toolbar. If you've clicked into a specific block, back out to the global settings so you're editing the overall email style, not just a single section. Within that Design or Styles area, find the Background Color option. It might be labeled Background, Page Background, or simply Background Color. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a bit. It's typically grouped with font and global color settings. This control affects the overall canvas behind your content, which helps set the tone of the entire email. Now choose your color. You can use the color picker to explore shades or paste a hex code if you have exact brand colors. Aim for strong contrast between the background and your text to keep everything readable. Light neutrals are often the safest, but a darker shade can work well if your text is set to a light color. Consider how buttons and images will sit against that background, and take a quick look in the preview to see how it appears on desktop and mobile. If the result feels too intense, try softening the shade or shifting the hue slightly rather than jumping to a completely different color. When you're happy with the look, save your changes. Click Save in the editor and then Done or Continue if prompted. Some editors autosave, but it's always best to confirm so you don't lose your work. That's it, your email now has a refreshed background color that supports your content and brand. Thanks for watching. If you follow these steps, you'll quickly give your emails a clean, cohesive finish with just a simple color change.